What if I told you your balcony could become a mosquito-free zone? Just by adding plants, no sprays, no chemicals, no toxic coils burning all night, just natural fragrance power doing the work for you while you relax, breathe, and enjoy your evenings in peace. Because here's the truth most people don't realize. Mosquitoes don't just appear randomly. They are attracted to carbon dioxide, body heat, and scent signals. But certain plants can actually confuse, block, or overpower those signals. Today, I'm showing you 5 fragrant houseplants that act like natural mosquito shields for your balcony, while also making your space look like a luxury green. Retreat! Let's turn your home into something mosquitoes absolutely hate, but you will love. 1. Lavender, the calming mosquito repeller. Lavender is more than just a pretty purple plant. It's one of the most powerful natural mosquito deterrents you can grow on your balcony. Its secret lies in its essential oil compounds, especially linalool and linalyl acetate, which give lavender its signature calming scent. Humans find it relaxing, even therapeutic. But mosquitoes? They absolutely can't stand it. These insects rely heavily on scent trails to locate humans. Lavender disrupts those signals, making it harder for mosquitoes to lock on to you as a target. That's why it's often used in natural repellents, oils, and even sleep sprays. To get the best results on your balcony, place lavender in sunny, open areas where air circulation helps spread its fragrance. You can also gently rub or crush a few flowers in the evening to intensify the scent release. Another bonus? Lavender doesn't just protect you, it transforms your space emotionally. The smell lowers stress levels, reduces anxiety, and creates a calming, spa-like atmosphere right at home. Visually, it adds a soft purple aesthetic that instantly upgrades your balcony into something cinematic and peaceful. So while mosquitoes are searching for their next target, your lavender-filled balcony is quietly sending one message. Not here. Not tonight. 2. Basil, the kitchen plant that fights mosquitoes. Basil is one of the most underrated mosquito-repelling plants you can grow, and the best part is, you probably already know it from your kitchen. But beyond cooking, basil carries a strong natural defense system. Its leaves release volatile oils like estragol, eugenol, and citronellol, which mosquitoes find extremely irritating. These compounds interfere with how insects detect humans nearby. Unlike some plants that need crushing to release scent, basil constantly emits a subtle protective aroma, even when you're just sitting near it. For balcony setup, basil works best when placed near seating areas, doors, or windows, where mosquito entry points are most common. The more plants you group together, the stronger the natural barrier becomes. You can also lightly brush the leaves while sitting outside in the evening. This releases a burst of aroma that strengthens its repelling effect instantly. But basil isn't just functional, it's also practical. You can pick fresh leaves anytime for cooking, tea, or drinks. So instead of just protecting your space, it actively enhances your lifestyle. And here's something most people don't realize. Basil grows fast. That means you can easily create a dense green mosquito shield wall in just a few weeks. It's low maintenance, productive, and protective, all at once. So while mosquitoes try to invade your peaceful balcony time, basil quietly does what it does best: protect, refresh, and serve. 3. Citronella, lemongrass, the classic natural repellent. If there's one plant most people associate with mosquito control, it's citronella, often known in plant form as lemongrass. This plant contains a powerful oil called citronella, which is widely used in commercial mosquito repellents. The scent works by masking human odors like sweat and carbon dioxide, making it harder for mosquitoes to track you. On a balcony, citronella acts like a natural scent barrier, especially when planted in groups or large pots. Its tall, grassy appearance also creates a beautiful tropical vibe, making your space feel like a resort. However, there's an important truth many people don't know. Citronella is most effective when its leaves are disturbed. That means gently crushing or rubbing the leaves releases a stronger aroma burst that enhances its repelling power. For best results, place citronella in sunny, warm areas of your balcony. It thrives in heat and grows quickly, making it perfect for tropical climates. You can also combine it with other plants like basil and mint for a layered mosquito defense system. Even though citronella alone won't eliminate mosquitoes completely, it significantly reduces their presence when used correctly, especially in small outdoor spaces like balconies or patios. And beyond protection, it gives your space a fresh lemon-like fragrance that instantly feels clean and energizing. So think of citronella as your balcony's natural security guard. Tall, strong, aromatic, and always on duty. 4. Mint, the fast-growing fresh defender. Mint is one of the most aggressive growers and one of the most effective natural mosquito deterrents you can keep on a balcony. Its strength comes from menthol and essential oils, which create a sharp, cooling scent that overwhelms mosquitoes' sensory receptors. While humans experience it as refreshing, insects find it extremely disorienting. The beauty of mint is how easy it is to grow. It spreads quickly, thrives in containers, and doesn't require much attention. But that fast growth also means you should always keep it in pots. Otherwise, it can take over your entire balcony garden. For mosquito control, place mint near doorways, windows, and seating corners. The scent works best when air moves through the leaves, so breezy balcony setups are ideal. Another powerful trick is to gently rub mint leaves while sitting outside. This releases a sudden burst of aroma that creates a short-term mosquito-repelling zone around you. But mint doesn't just protect, it enhances daily life. You can use it in tea, drinks, desserts, and even natural home remedies. It's both a protective plant and a culinary upgrade. A mint-filled balcony feels fresh, clean, and energetic, almost like nature's air conditioner. So while mosquitoes try to invade your space, mint is constantly doing one thing: refreshing your air and disrupting theirs. 5. Rosemary, the aromatic balcony shield. Rosemary is a woody, fragrant herb that brings both elegance and protection to your balcony space. Its strong scent comes from essential oils like cineole, camphor, and rosmarinic acid, which naturally repel mosquitoes and other flying insects. These compounds create an environment that insects tend to avoid. Unlike softer herbs, rosemary thrives in hot, dry conditions, making it perfect for sunny balconies. Once established, it becomes a long-lasting aromatic shield that requires very little maintenance. For best effect, place rosemary in sun-exposed corners or near seating areas. When the wind moves through it, the fragrance spreads naturally, creating a subtle protective barrier. One traditional trick is to lightly burn a dried sprig outdoors. The smoke releases a stronger repellent effect that helps reduce mosquito activity in the immediate area. But rosemary isn't just practical, it's aesthetic. It adds a Mediterranean luxury garden feel to your balcony, especially when paired with terracotta pots or minimalist decor. And like mint and basil, it doubles as a kitchen herb, making it both functional and beautiful. So while mosquitoes search for weak points, rosemary quietly holds the line with strength, fragrance, and resilience. So here's the truth. You don't need toxic sprays or chemical coils to enjoy your balcony anymore. Nature already gave you the solution. Plants that smell amazing to us but completely confuse mosquitoes. From calming lavender to powerful citronella, from fast-growing mint to protective rosemary. Each plant adds a layer of defense and beauty to your space, but the real magic happens when you combine them. That's when your balcony stops being just an outdoor corner and becomes a natural, living mosquito shield that also feels like a peaceful retreat. If you found this helpful, imagine what else your plants can do for your home. Subscribe for more plant hacks, balcony transformations, and indoor jungle secrets. And tell me in the comments, which plant are you adding first?